So we gotta say, last year Huawei surprised us with its unusual foldable phone, the Huawei Pura X. It is wider, a 16:10 screen ratio, making it closer to a small size tablet, which is unlike the taller and narrower design of the normal foldable phone. This experiment went pretty well, and now the brand is working on Pura X2 with major display and camera changes. And we even got details on its possible launch time frame. So let's dive into it. So the Pura X2 is set to maintain the overall design and passport-like shape of the original Pura X. However, as per a tipster, while the Pura X2's foldable display will maintain the same aspect ratio 16:10, but its size will grow to 7.5 inches, which is a noticeable increase from the 6.3 inches. The external display is also set to get larger from 3.5 inches, but unfortunately, at the moment, we don't know about its size. Moving on, the tipster also shared about the cameras, and according to that, there will be 4 cameras, 3 on the rear and a single selfie camera. Now, though most of the camera specs are still under wraps, but the main camera is said to be 200 megapixel instead of a 3 megapixel. On the performance side, the tipster mentioned Huawei's in-house developed 3 chips, so likely the Pura X2 will use one of them. Now, for the other specs, it is tipped to come with an unusual up to 20 gigs of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, while there will be 6 color options, so pretty wide range. Now, for the launch date, the Huawei Pura X2 is tipped to debut, which the tipster even claimed the confirmed date sometime in April. But rest assured, I will keep you updated as soon as there are any more details, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.